The web forgets by accident. Alexandria here is a witnessed restoration engine for the lost web. It does not generate the past, it reconciles surviving witnesses. This is iExile, the literary community I founded in 2007, returned from public archive evidence. Give Alexandria one public URL. When connected evidence is sufficient, it opens directly into a coherent return site, not a screenshot gallery. This edition passed through the same bounded live recovery pipeline available to every visitor. It returns 5 visible pages from 8 capture records spanning August through November 2009. Its centerpiece is challengeability. Show the seams exposes block-level provenance. Every rendered historical block resolves to archived evidence and a content hash. Alexandria may reconstruct placement, but it cannot display unsupported historical content. If a page is known only through surviving links, the absence remains visible. The temporal evidence graph reconciles capture dates, URL variants, conflicts, and source relationships into one supported edition. The ghost map reveals the shape of survival, returned pages, inferred connections, and 8 known absences, paths witnessed by the archive, but not faithfully recoverable. Every recovery ends with a mechanical receipt. This one discloses Planner GPT-5.6, Model GPT-5.6, Sol, 946 source hashes, 347 rendered blocks, and 10 of 10 passing validations. The model proposes consequential evidence choices. Deterministic code derives the cited structure and decides what may be rendered. Failure stays visible. Silence is never filled with fiction. Codex served as the build integrator across architecture, archive retrieval, hostile HTML handling, temporal reasoning, security, tests, deployment, and browser audits. Inside the shipped product, GPT 5.6 is the Chronologist. It receives a bounded evidence packet and returns only a strict schema, visible page order, and primary witness IDs. It is consequential, but never allowed to write history. Alexandria here returns a place with witnesses. The lost web present again without pretending the gaps were never there.